What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys Amazon product research and how you can find the perfect product to start selling on Amazon. So I'm going to try to make this as brief as possible, maybe like a 5-minute video. So let's get started right away. The tools you're going to need to pretty much find the perfect product to start selling on Amazon would be Helium-10. If you want Helium-10, I'll have it in the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. That will give you a discount code to find the perfect product to start selling on Amazon. You can see here, this is the dashboard of how I can find out pretty much how my Amazon business is doing. Like, this is today's sales, yesterday's sales, 3,000, last 7 days, 23,000, made 9K profit, and last year's sales, 1.6 mil, and the profit, right? So a lot of people teaching people how to sell on Amazon, I'm telling you, especially on YouTube, they know the very basics. I'm just spitting out the facts. Like, nobody ever shows you their numbers of how much they truly make or what they're doing. And I'm really transparent with you guys with everything. It comes down to selling on Amazon. So let's say what we're going to be trying to do in this video is finding the perfect product to start selling on Amazon. Like, I always teach everybody, especially when they're beginning, you want to find a product that's not competitive, that weighs less than 3 pounds. You know, you really could get into selling on Amazon as a beginner. People tend to think it's like very not possible, but you just need to have the knowledge of what to do, right? In this video, I'm going to be real brief in exactly what you should do. So once you're on Helium-10 here, right, you would go to Tools, and we're going to click black box, which is Amazon product research. This is going to allow us to see what products are good to sell on Amazon. So what I like to do is click all these categories here that I like. So I like baby products, and also a very good one is pet supplies. I also would do tools and home improvement, toys, and you can play around with this, right? But what we're going to do is just focus on one specific category. And I want you guys to put these exact filters. That way you get the best opportunity for finding a product that sells very well. So you're going to put number of sellers 1 and 1, minimum price $18, monthly revenue minimum, let's put 21,000. Max review count, let's put 300. So we're going to get a product that is selling for over $18, that's making 21,000, that only has 300 reviews, that is a very small product that weighs less than 3 pounds, and it is a seller just like you and me, which we're going to put Amazon FBA. Now we're going to find a very, very good product. So this is like the filter that I like to use, and I recommend you to do it as well. We're going to click search here, and now we're going to find some really good products. Like, it's going to be real fast of how good these products are. Like, watch how crazy this is. Look, this is live. I'm doing this a quick video for you guys to show you how good these products are, right? Watch. Now we're going to click just a few random ones, right? Let's click this one, this one. You know, they might have some that are not good, but I would say the majority of these, 60% of them or more, would be very good to sell. So this one I can see is already a good one. I'm clicking all of these to show you one by one. And from my experience, I can pretty much tell you just off the bat if it ideally is going to be a good product or not. So this might be actually, it might be a more expensive product to get from the supplier, to be honest. We're going to pass on this one. I'm not too convinced on this one because I do think it might be a little more expensive, the product cost. We'll pass on this one here. So now we have a diaper bag, a fancy diaper bag, right? That's selling for $200, only 176 reviews. They're going for the more elegant luxury look for moms. So, you know, people do pay for this. You can see that they've made 477 sales, which they brought in $95,000 in sales in the past 30 days. For a beginner, I wouldn't recommend a product like this, but it does have high potential just because, you know, they're going for that luxury look. All right, now I would pass on this one. For a beginner, I wouldn't do this. So let's keep looking. Baby crib fitted blankets. You wouldn't think much of this. It's kind of crazy. It's just a fitted sheet for, you know, a crib, and they have a lot of varieties, which is a little bit of a downfall for a beginner. But you can see they only have 211 reviews, and they're making $24,000, close to $25,000 every month in sales off this one product. And what you can do is build a whole brand around baby products, right? You can sell this. You know, there's so many opportunities when it comes to baby products. I really like baby products because it just does very, very well. So this one here is selling for $63, which I find very, very expensive. For a beginner, I'd probably stay away from this one. Let's pass on this one. We're also going to pass on this one because it's big and bulky. And what I like to do is sell small products, right? You want to sell small and light products. That's what I always aim for. That's how I have a successful Amazon business. So I would pass on this one. Okay, now we're talking here. Look at this. So I know you can get these type of products that I'm mentioning. You can get them for like $2 from China from Alibaba.com. So they do have 4 varieties and multiple design varieties, which for a beginner, it's not too good, but you can see that they only have 250 reviews and they've made $26,000 in the last 30 days with this product. This, I would rate this a 6.8 out of 10, right? I wouldn't rate this like a 10 out of 10 product. I would rate it a 6.8. You can make money from it, but what I don't like about it is the sizes and the variations. So we're going to also go to this one. Like you can see, baby crib bed sheets pretty much. You can see they have 8 variations of it at close to $28, $27.99, and they've made in the last 30 days with Helium 10, you're able to see how much you're making. Close to $40,000, $39,353, over 1,000 units sold in the past 30 days. So a product like this is pretty good, ideally, and we saw this one here. Same thing, baby crib sheets as well. And they're both doing very good. You can see this one's doing close to 25, this one's doing close to 40,000. And they're very similar products that you just have potential to be making a lot of money. You can literally keep going with this and find more and more products to start selling. And, you know, like I said, this is I'm trying to make this a very fast, brief, quick Amazon product research video. If you want more in-depth stuff of like what to stay away from, what products you want to get, what products you don't want to even touch, you can check out my free course. I have it in the link in the description down below. It's absolutely free. You can literally start 5 minutes from now. There's nothing needed. It has a bunch of free information of like Amazon FBA fee calculators, brand protection, what to stay away from, what to get, because, you know, when you're beginning, you probably don't know exactly what to do. There's a lot more steps and variations. So I made it for free. Nothing is needed. Literally, you can literally sign up, see all those videos for free. I have that for free, and I'll still have a more advanced course if you want to take it like a full-time serious, you know, take it seriously, make a full-time income, learn from all my mistakes. I also have that there. That one isn't free, but I made it $99 a month to make it more affordable for anybody that really is serious about learning Amazon. There's a free one and there's a monthly one of only $99. There's people charging like $1,500 for a course, which is insane. So I try to make it as affordable as I can for anybody that wants to learn. But yeah, check out the free one. See if it's right for you. See if you are interested in it. And if you are, you could always check out the advanced. But I ideally would like you to check out the free one, of course. And if you have any questions regarding Amazon product research or any videos that you want me to make in the future, I will literally make them for you. This channel is pretty new, so any support or like or even a subscribe, I'd really, really appreciate it. I super appreciate it. So if you could like that video, like this video, subscribe, comment anything, I'd appreciate it. And that's about it. If you have any questions regarding, oops, press the wrong button. If you have any questions regarding anything, comment down below. Hope you like this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.